Hi everyone. Now we will see an example for creation of an AVL tree, and for the resultant tree we are going to perform deletion of the elements 11, 63, 72 and 27. Okay. First we will take the node 16. Yes, there is no problem. We will write one by one. I will take the node 16. Yes, it is an AVL tree. Why? Because the balance factor is 0. I will insert 27 as 27 is greater than right side, as 27 inserted, balance factor is 0, balance factor is minus 1. Yes, it is an also available. Then I will insert the node value 9. Yes, 9 inserted. 9 inserted. After insertion you need to make modification, right? 0 and here the balance factor is 0. And I am going to insert the value 11. 11 will be inserted here. Balance factor is 0, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1, it's plus 1. Okay, then insert 36. If I insert 36 here, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, so 0. I have completed up to here. Next take 54. If I insert 54 here, the balance factor is 0. Balance factor is minus 1, balance factor is minus 2. I mean, because of this insertion, I got my tree as imbalance. Then I am going to make conversion. What kind of rotation this is? RR rotation. When RR, we need to apply anti-clockwise. That is 16, 9, 11, 36, 27, 54, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. I have inserted 54. Then I am going to insert the node 81. When I am going to insert the node 81, it will be inserted on the right side. Okay. After making of insertion of the node on the right side, from this particular node to the corresponding node, I need to make update of all the balance factors. So 0, minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, so plus 1. There is no problem while inserting 81. Now if I am inserting 63, 63 will be inserted to the left of this one. Because this insertion from this root node to root node, I need to make all operations. 0, plus 1, then here you will get minus 2. If you do on updating like this, you may get here 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also minus 2. Sometimes you may get confused like this if they have given. Don't worry here. What you need to do is, you need to make adjustment for the first occurred critical node. Don't consider all the critical nodes. You need to make adjustment for first occurred critical node. If you make adjustment, then the tree may become the complete minus 2, 2 may become balance. If it not balance, then we can apply again. Okay, don't worry about it. So that's the reason, try to make the first occurred critical node. So this is what. This is R, here. This is RL. This is RL notation. When RL notation, what you need to do? You need to make a rotate right. That is 16, 9, 11, 36, 27. So when apply RL, you make anti-clockwise. You make clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So you will get the resultant tree as like this: 63, 54, 81, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So the tree will become balanced. Now I am going to insert 72. If I am going to insert 72 for the tree, what will happen is 72 will be inserted here. 72 will be inserted. Because of this insertion, 0 here, here you will get plus 1, here you will get minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, here you will get 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, here you will get minus 2. You will get 1 minus 2. Just try to check. Just try to check with respect to this critical node. With respect to this critical node, where I have inserted right to right subtree. Right to right subtree. Then we need to make anti-clockwise on this critical node 63. Okay, don't get confused. So if you practice, you will get. So if you make adjustment over here, you will get 63, 36, 27, 81, 72, 54. Then root node as it is 16, then 9, then 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. Yes. All insertion completed. This is my final resultant AVL tree. Final resultant AVL tree. Okay. On this tree, they are asking that I want to delete node 11. I want to delete node 11. If I am going to delete this node 11, I will just note down up to here. Now, deletion of node 11. Now, deletion of node 11 will make this tree as 1, 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 3, you will get minus 2. You will get minus 2. Okay, just listen here, minus 2. So, you got critical node as minus 2. So, for this one, what is the right child? 0. What is the right child? 0. So, with respect to this node, for which node I have deleted? Left side node. With respect to this one, left side node is deleted. So, I will get L and what is the balance factor of these children? 0. So, I will make L0. What is L0? We need to make RR notation. RR means we need to make anti-clockwise. When you are performing anti-clockwise, 63 will comes to here, 16 as it is, 9 as it is, 36 will comes to here, 27, 54, 81, 7. 81 something. You had one point, not on one point here. When I deleted a particular node, this node having act as a critical node. When this node acts as a critical node, for this node, left side is deleted, so I make it as L. Left side is deleted, I make it as L. And for this node, right children is balance factor is 0, so I make it as L0. So I am applying RR notation. So balance factors are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0. This is plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, plus 1. Next I am going to delete 63. See here, if I am going to delete 63, I need to make either left in order predecessor or in order successor. So for my simplicity, I am taking 54 and I am making here. So I am just taking 54. See, 54 will move to top, 16 will comes to here, 9 will comes to here, 36, 27, 54 will move to top, right? So nothing is there. 81, 70. Now check the balance factor. 0, plus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 1, 2, 3, plus 1. There is no problem. Then 72. Deletion of 72. See here, I am going to delete 72. If I am going to delete 72, what will happen? Its balance factor is 0. Its balance factor is 0. Its balance factor is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is plus 2. 3 minus 1 is plus 2. 3 minus 1 is plus 2, right? Here plus 2 occurred because of deleting an element to the right side of this right side of this one, and whose children balance factor is minus 1. Whose children balance factor is minus 1. I mean, so I need to apply here right side division r and balance factor is minus 1, r minus 1. When r minus 1 means I need to apply LR notation. I need to apply LR notation. LR means LR means this is L and this is R. So I will make arrangements like 54, 36, 16, 9, 27, 81. Again I am going to make it, right? That is first I have performed LR means first I have performed anti-clockwise, then clockwise. Clockwise means now 36, 16, 9, 27, 54, 81. 481. Now the tree is balanced. 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. So tree is balanced. Now try to delete 27. If I am going to delete 27, is there any problem? No. 36, 16, 9, 54, 81. 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 2, 0. So it is an variable. Okay. So this way we are going to perform deletion. Okay, fine. So thus